real estate as a side hustle. See, you can keep your day job, but if your side hustle is making more money than your day job, you got to gain some confidence in your side hustle and let the day job go. A while ago, someone told me you can measure your success by how long if you was to quit your job and you can continue to live the same lifestyle that you're living today without a reduction in lifestyle. How long? Will it be 3 months? Will it be 3 years? Will it be 30 years? That's how you can gauge your success. There's nothing wrong with keeping your day job. Matter of fact, I prefer you keep your day job and do real estate on the side so that the learning curve can be easier without you going through financial stress. Now, there's a lot of things that you can do on the side without spending tons of money. I don't think it's a good option for you to jump into real estate with a ton of cash because, like I said, it's a learning curve. And on that learning curve, there's going to be mistakes or there are going to be things that you could have done better. But don't let it cost you a whole bunch of money. What you can do on the side is you can pick up a cell phone and you can use a computer. And this could be done after work for a few hours a day. Now it's going to be on you about your time management. You understand? Don't forget, when you hustle, you get out what you put in. Now, if you're going to hustle on the side, after work, weekends, invest that time into finding property, maybe even partnering. Maybe you can meet, if you're into fix and flips, maybe you can meet a contractor that you can meet up after hours to see how the project is going. Maybe you can meet them on a Saturday. Now, you can definitely do real estate as a side hustle. Now, I know there's a lot of other part-time jobs that you can get for maybe a 4-hour shift after work, but why not invest that time into yourself? Why not invest that time into something that you create, something that you control, something that you own? You understand? So take that time, and it's really going to be about time management. It's going to be after you get off of work, can you dedicate a few hours to your real estate side hustle? On Saturday morning, can you wake up and dedicate a few hours to your side hustle? Eventually, the learning curve is your light bulb is gonna come on. You're gonna get the understanding of what you're trying to do. Also, I'm here to help and mentor you. So make sure you visit my site and sign up for a free consultation while it's still up. I can show you how to find deals. I can show you how to find partners. I can even show you how to spend as little money as possible to achieve your overall goal. Maybe I can help you find your way out of your day job into something that you may find more lucrative or something that you really want to do. All right? Visit the website, sign up, like, comment, subscribe. Musah.